If you're thinking about cutting the cord but aren't ready to commit to a subscription, the YouTube TV free trial is a great way to test the service before paying. It gives new users access to live TV, sports, news, entertainment, and many of YouTube TV's premium features for a limited time. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the YouTube TV free trial in 2026. Let's get started. The first thing to know is that the free trial is only available to new subscribers. If you've never signed up for YouTube TV before, you may qualify for a free trial. The exact length of the trial can vary depending on current promotions, so some users may receive a longer trial than others. During your trial, you'll have access to the same core features as paying subscribers. This includes over 100 live TV channels, unlimited cloud DVR, local channels in supported areas, and the ability to stream on multiple compatible devices. You can also explore optional add-ons, and some of them may offer their own free trials. Signing up is simple. Visit the YouTube TV website, sign in with your Google account, verify your location, choose your plan, and enter a valid payment method. Although you'll need to provide billing information, you won't be charged until your free trial ends. One important thing to remember is automatic billing. When your trial expires, your account automatically converts to a paid subscription unless you cancel beforehand. If you decide the service isn't for you, simply cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Even if you cancel during the trial, you'll usually keep access until the trial period expires. YouTube TV works on a wide variety of devices. You can watch through your web browser, Android and iPhone devices, smart TVs, Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, gaming consoles, and many other supported streaming devices, making it easy to watch almost anywhere. One of the biggest advantages of YouTube TV is its unlimited cloud DVR. You can record as many shows, movies, and sporting events as you want without worrying about storage limits. This feature is included during the free trial, giving you the full experience before deciding whether to subscribe. Of course, there are a few limitations. The free trial is generally limited to first-time subscribers, and its availability can vary by country. YouTube TV is primarily available in the United States, so users in other regions may not be able to sign up without meeting the service's location requirements. So, is the YouTube TV free trial worth trying in 2026? If you're looking for a cable replacement with live TV, sports, local channels, unlimited DVR, and an easy-to-use interface, the answer is definitely yes. The free trial gives you the opportunity to explore the platform and decide whether it fits your viewing habits before paying for a subscription. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting us know if you're planning to try YouTube TV.